Hello dear learners, welcome to my channel. Stay with us and learn grammar in a better way. Let's learn a new topic. You may see various pictures on the screen. Let's analyze these pictures. Will you be able to identify or tell me what is going on or what is happening in these pictures? Before going to start, I have a question for you. What do we call action words in English grammar? Please comment the right answer and get free worksheet and material. Now, you may have observed the different words on the screen such as melodiously, effortlessly, playfully, slowly, gracefully, confidently, quickly, and carefully. These words are called adverbs because they describe verbs effectively and elaborately. So now, my dear learners, today we are going to learn a new topic, adverbs. Are you excited to learn more about adverbs? So let's dive into the topic. An adverbs is a word that tells us more about a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It gives us extra information about how, when, where, or how often something happens. It means an adverb gives extra information about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. It tells us in what way an action happens, is happening, or will happen. So let's study adverbs in a more detail. Adverbs are divided into different kinds such as adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. So the first adverb we are going to study today is adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. It shows the way or style in which something happens. Most adverbs of manner end with ly. Here, adverbs of manner, it shows the way or style in which something happens. You get more information how an action is done. In the most of the cases, the adverbs of manner end with ly. Sometimes it is difficult to find adverbs of manner. At the time, you ask the question how to the verbs and you will automatically get your answer. For example, how does she sing? If you ask the question how to the verb, you will get answer sweetly. In second number, how does he run? So if you ask this question, you will get the answer fast. How does she walk? If you ask the question how to verb, you will get your answer slowly. How does he write? Neatly. How does she dance? Gracefully. So adverbs of manner ask the question how. The second adverb is adverbs of place. An adverb of place tells us where an action happens. It shows the location or direction of an action. Adverbs of place, it helps to find out where an action happens. If you are unable to identify adverbs of place, you can ask the question where to the verb and you will automatically get your answer. For examples, where are they playing? Answer is here. Where are the children playing? Outside. Where are the birds flying? Above the trees. Where is the garden? Behind the house. Where does he live? Near the school. So the adverbs you will observe here, or the adverbs you can see here, outside, above, behind, and near. So whenever you have a difficulty, you simply ask the question where to the verb. The third one is adverbs of time. An adverb of time tells us when or for how long an action happens. Adverbs of time, it tells us when an action is happening. It shows the time of an action. If you want to find adverb of time, simply ask the question when to the verb and you will get your answer. For examples, when will she come? Tomorrow. When did he leave? Yesterday. When do you go to school? Every day. When will the train arrive? Later. When do they go on vacation? Sometimes. So adverbs of time, the question is when. If you ask this question when to the verb, automatically you will get your answer. The next adverb is adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency shows how often something happens. It tells us the number of times an action takes place. Adverbs of frequency, it shows how frequently an action is happening. It tells us the number of times an action takes place. Simultaneously, you will see the pictures also on the screen. These pictures will give you the more information about the adverbs. Okay. So adverbs of frequency, you will see the pictures also. Through these pictures, you will learn, you will easily get the information about the verb. If you have trouble finding adverbs of frequency, simply ask the question how often to the verb and you will find your answer. For example, how often does she go to school? Always. How often does she play football? Usually. How often does he eat junk food? Rarely. How often do they go to shopping? Occasionally. How often does the bus come? Regularly. So the adverbs of frequency, ask the question how often. When you ask this question how often to the verb, you will get your answer. The next adverb is adverbs of degree. And adverbs of degree tells us how much or to what extent something happens. It modifies adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs. Adverbs of degree, it tells us how much or to what extent something happens. It shows the intensity of the action. Let's see the examples. You will get the information, you will get the more information about the verb. Okay, so let's see the example. How much does he enjoy cricket? Immensely. How cold is the water? Extremely cold. How much does she trust him? Completely. How much sugar do you take in tea? Little. And how bright is the sun? Extremely bright. So here, if you have a doubt or if you find difficulty to find out the adverbs of degree, simply ask the question how much, and when you ask this question how much to the verb, you will get your answer. Okay. So remember, when you have a difficulty in any adverbs, the given clues, okay, the given clues like how, where, when, how often, how much, these are the clues With the help of these clues, you will definitely find your answers. So whenever you have a difficulty to find out which one or which adverb is this, you simply ask the question and you will get your answer. So now, do you want to get free worksheet and material? Then please follow or subscribe our YouTube channel and Instagram ID for more updates and for free worksheets and material.